Nasa loob ako ng mall kasi carless day ngayon sa USP, so hindi ako makapag-park doon. Tapos, dapitan parking is full also. Kaya nasa loob ako ng UST. Ay, sa loob ako ng San Lazaro nag-park. So, nagka-tricycle ako puntang UST.
Philippines. Oh my god, this is so first sem, fourth year.
Bubuksan natin yan mamaya. Kaya natin
Cum laude.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Oh wait, ito na. For the OA. Oh, thank you. Ano, Joyce.
Ginawa ko yan. Grabe si Beauty siya.
Ala, ano to? Wait.
Blind pool yan, Lucky Bro.
Tingnan ko.
Sorry.
Guys, two lines.
Meet Kish.
Hi!
Very zoom. Faith, Gabby, Alex, Ate Alex, Joyce. Basta may exposure eh, si Kim talaga eh.
And as we continue, we can see here the Faculty of Civil Law.
Budaw.
Seniors from the Graduate School.
Wala man lang. Hindi natin masyadong makikita. Hulas na tayo lahat.
Pula-pula na ako.
The College of Fine Arts.
Top notcher in May 2024. The College of Fine Arts and Design traces its beginnings as a department of the Faculty of Engineering in 1935 and of the College of Architecture and Fine Arts, or CAFA, in 1946. Now in its 24th year, CFAD offers two programs, Bachelor of Science in Interior Design and Bachelor of Fine Arts, major in Painting, Advertising Arts, and Industrial Design. The college honors the legacy of its outstanding academic staff and students who are proclaimed national artists, as well as internationally known animators and multi-awarded filmmakers, sculptors, interior designers, visual artists, industrial designers, and photojournalists. Indeed, the college has continuously strived to produce successful graduates who are creatively competent, committed, and compassionate. Unleashing creativity, shaping vision. The USD College of Fine Arts and Design. Dean, Assistant Professor Mary Christie Dean K, MSLET. Regent, Reverend Father Edgardo D. Alaurin, OP, The College of Fine Arts and Design produced 410 graduating students this 2024. The Graduate School of Law fosters intellectual growth and collaboration and engages in high-impact research.
Laureate Mass of Class 2024 on the feast of the Visitation of the Blessed Virgin Mary. As one Tomasian community, we praise and thank the Lord for the gift of unending grace that sustains our Tomasian graduating class in their academic pursuits and personal undertakings. We have witnessed their growth to becoming Tomasian graduates they ought to be. Competent, compassionate, and committed. They have come a long way to reach the final leg of their Tomasian journey. And it is but humbling to celebrate their success in the most fitting way, the holy sacrifice of the Mass. May we all confidently pray that through the intercession of the Blessed Mother,
journey. Your dedication to fostering a community deeply rooted in faith and knowledge has been instrumental in shaping their holistic development, instilling in them the values that will guide them throughout their lives. To our administrative and academic officials, faculty members, and staff, your unwavering support and dedication have been the bedrock of our students' educational experience. You have not only imparted knowledge, but also inspired and mentored them, guiding them towards becoming the leaders and change makers of tomorrow. Your commitment to education,
academic excellence, and steadfastness of faith. We pray to the Lord.
Lord, hear our prayer.
For the Tomasian community, that they may continue carrying out the works of mercy and always be at the service of the Church and the poor, especially those who are greatly suffering. We pray to the Lord.
Lord, hear our prayer.
For our family members and friends who have gone before us, that they
sabi mo yung pag-uwi.
Together we're unlimited. Together we'll be the greatest team there's ever been.
Dreams the way we planned them.
If we work in tandem,
There's no fight we cannot win. Just you and I defying gravity.
with you and I defying gravity.
Never bring us down.
Never bring us down. You'll never bring us
So if you're there and find me, locked on the western side, but someone told me lately, everyone deserves the chance to fly.
Everyone's flying solo, at least I'm flying free.
To those who ground me, take a message back from me. The wizard that lives someone ever gonna bring me gamut of graduating students. The burden of genuinely expressing what each and every one of us would want to express tonight fell on me like a boulder that I was doubted about how I was going to be able to lift, and much less carry until I delivered to you during this very momentous day. I am but just one of the 7,795 unquestionably competent, committed, and we had to learn a new system, unlearn it in the middle, and find a balance between the two somewhere in our journeys while moving towards the end. For the same reason, people have also come to doubt our capabilities and achievements just for being part of the batch that, quote-unquote, had it easy compared to batches before. A cat lay down on my backpack as I was writing this message at the Plaza Mayor. Though I was only planning to dabble in writing this and make an initial outline to the few notes I was going to accumulate from the observable scenery of one cozy afternoon in the university, it turned out I had written the whole thing in one sitting.
By St. Dominic's Apostolic Fire and St. Thomas Aquinas Scholastic Ardor, nurtured by the dogmas of the Christian faith, etched deeply in the traditions of the Catholic Church. I walk with pride under God's glorious image as an instrument of His abiding grace. In gratitude to my pontifical, Catholic, and royal alma mater, I promise to dutifully live the fruits of my learning in my chosen profession, moved by vows of excellence and commitment and with conscience, always striving to serve the Almighty, humanity, and this country. Now, as I leave the portals of my beloved university, I pledge allegiance and undying love to the Thomasian ideals. Let the cross of Christ be my beacon and light, my mentor, my witnesses. I pledge to be loyal and to perpetuate the values and truths that illuminate every Thomasian's path. I am and will always be a true, faithful Thomasian in my mind, heart, and spirit. So help me God.
Faith kay God.
Walang cute.
Saan pa tayo sa...
Miss ko tong library na lagi kong tinatambayan. Hindi ako tumatambay pag yung vacant ko mahaba. Like 4 hours. Gano'n.
Thank you, Kim. Ang cute. Ay, mag-focus. Ay, nakasulat. Congrats from Kim. Thank you, Kim. I'm so touched. Ang cute nito. Binigyan din ako ni Sam. Sana tama ako. Galing to kay Sam. Oh my God, the effort. Ang cute. Thank you very much. Tsaka kay Ate Arin. Ang cute to. Crochet. Di ba mahirap gawin to? Ang cute. Thank you. Ayan. So, ito yung mga nakuha naming freebies. Yung candle ko, kala ko hindi ako nakakuha. Nandun na pala sa ilalim ng bag ko. Sayang. Anyways. Kasi itong candle holder. Kasi itong cross to remind us of our Tomasian. Yan, binasa namin yan while sinusot to. Tapos itong mga prayers. Tsaka itong pin. Ang cute itong pin. Hindi pa na siya nasuot. Tapos itong hat or braid. Tignan natin itong pin. Ang cute itong pin. Sorry. Ano yung boses ko? Hindi na kasi. Oh, ang cute to. Hindi ko na siya nanood. Tapos yung toga. At yung hat. Or yung cap. Rent lang yan. And then yung uniform ko na may sulat. So yan. Tapos ito galing kay Bella. Ang cute. Parang gusto kong gamitin sa board exam. Thank you, Bella. Meaning pa talaga. Thank you. Tapos nag-trade. Ito pala yung grad pick ko. Nag-trading kami nila. Ito. Ayan. Ni Kim. Sana okay lang pakita yung face nila. No? Ni Kim, nila. Cassie. Ana. Si Morit. Si Joyce. Ate. Arin. Tsaka yung dalawa kay Mitch. Ayan. Thank you. Ito din, yeah, of course, itong light stick. Parang dalawang kulay ito nung pinapamigay. May green, tsaka itong red. Parang random. Diba? Lakas diba? Concert.
Oxytocin, high on hoping that the way that you love me could fix how I hate myself. Overdosing on erosion, but when the chemical love wears off, I'm just as broken. You're my oxytocin.